today there is no tutorial, but we're going to share all my autumn papers that you can find on my website. Everything I've showed you will be listed down below. So let's crack on, because I just don't want this video to be very long. So we're gonna start with the mini kits. There is only 2, and then we're going through the full packs, like the very large paper packs. So the first one that we are going to show you are my favorite and it's called Autumn Butterflies, and I'll let you guess why. Because there are some butterflies, but all the colors all blend together, so there's all these autumnal colors, so there's a lot of the palettes is the same. So I've got some brown, burgundy, red and green, so it's all blend together. So I've got 4 pages. I've got this second one here with the butterflies with the different backgrounds on the back. This, you can make some fabulous clusters or accessories. You can either fussy cut them and put into tags, so you can create some fun tags. And this is the last. So when I designed this, I was thinking of them to be like little washi tapes, or you can make like a collage. So you can print a few of those and you can make like a full page and make them look like tiles. Just an idea. Okay, so kit number 1 is called Autumn Butterflies. I got here everything on with my paper clips, so I won't mess them about. The second mini kit is called Autumn Shabby, and I'll let you guess why. Because this is all still the same palette, so you see burgundy, brown and green, but more on the shabby, so less bright, less strong, more like tone and pastels. Okay, so you got 1 page, 2nd page, and then I don't know if you can see on the background there is some like lace and geometrical motifs. So this, yeah, you can probably see better on here. It goes like this actually. Okay, so very shabby. And that's the last page where you can see, so I play with like the wooden texture and then just put the flowers on top. But again, very subtle, very pastel, very soft. Yeah, very soft is the right word to describe it. Okay, so now we're moving into the larger kit. Okay, so the first larger kit is called Autumn Background, and I designed this kit. It's full of background. There is nothing, there is no tags, there is nothing, it's just literally background, so you guys can do everything that you want with those. Okay, so you got some geometric, one with the leaves. I used to, when I was little, I used to have a jumper with this motif. There is a name and I really can't tell you the name in English. And I used to have a jumper with this. I used to hate it. Funny enough, those jumpers are now returning fashion. So, and it's very hard to find. So I know Ralph Lauren did a collection with this. I think it was last year. I really loved them. Another one with some more like autumn leaves and flowers. As you can see, the color palette is still the same. So it's brown, olive greens and burgundy. That's the variation of the previous one, but with the triangle being a bit smaller. This is more very me. So we got some autumn pies and cakes. Okay, I love chestnuts, and one of my aunts in Italy, she makes a fabulous chestnuts jam, and with this jam she makes these fabulous tarts. Oh my goodness me, they're so tasty. Another one with the still geometric, but inside you see some leaves and floral. Another one with the geometric motifs. Then I decided to add a check, because I think grey, when you put grey with these colours, it's all blend together, and I wanted to have something that you guys can use as a contrast. One with just some woods, and I put another tartan, but in green. So there's a green and yellow. So again, you can use, so if I put the papers like this, So hopefully you can see that the palette is the same, so they can be used as like mix and match. So you can use the same, like couple of this combination, the same project. Okay, so these are the autumn background pages, and again I decided not to put anything in there because this is purely a background that you can mix with the other papers. Next up is called Autumn Leaves. Now last year if I remember, I will share it at the end of this video, we made a wreath, a paper wreath using all these leaves. So it's basically a collection of autumn leaves. Okay, so they are the same, so all the leaves are the same shape, but it just changed the pattern. Okay, so you can use this for like card making or into your journal. You can either print this on cardstock and make like bookmarks if you want to. So again, it's the same background that I showed you earlier, but I'll just put some leaves on top. Okay, so you can just simply fussy cut them. So job is done. And I love them because again, you can use this on top of the background just to create some like greetings card or other projects that you want to do. Okay, it's a very large kit. And this is very versatile because you can cut the different leaves and put them all together. So you can have that leaf, and then create a little card if you want. Or you can make like clusters with some labels and things like that. Completely up to you. This is my another favorite of mine. It's called Autumn in the Field, and it's a very, very large. This is probably the largest pack out of all of them all. Okay, so this is your traditional autumn pack. So you got like little sunflowers, there are some butterflies, autumnal butterflies, etc. So this is your traditional autumn papers. So you've got 4 postcards. You've got a couple of backgrounds with some ephemera. So I did like a collage, and I just put the birds because I love them. These sunflowers with some butterflies on top. Love them. These some journal pages, so I put 2, so you can either make like a notebook if you want, or this can be like a cover for your journal. You just need to get rid of the white frame, print it on a thicker cardstock, and that's it. A couple of ephemera here, so we've got 4 tags and 2 cards. Now you can either stitch on them, or you put it together, you create like an envelope. Really up to you. Now the background, and I just put some brown tape measure because I think it's quite nice with a vintage look. Envelope and 3 different sizes of butterflies. Now you can put this one on top of another and make some clusters, cluster with the butterflies. This can be used to decorate your envelope. So that's the side tabs. You flip that over and that's the lid. Okay, very, very simple. Again, more ephemera, so you've got 3 sunflowers and some butterflies that you guys can fussy cut. This is my favorite page of the kit. I love sunflowers with blue. I think is a very nice contrast. I'm fully aware that maybe some of you might not like it, but I do like it. And I think it works. I mean, again, maybe not everybody cup of tea, but I think it works. The wooden texture with some sunflowers on top. Then I put the 4 backgrounds into one page, and let me move this out of the way. Then we've got another page with the 4 card backgrounds, and I just put some flowers on top. And then we've got here some 2 gift boxes. So they're like cubes. So you put them all together, and they give you a little cube, like a little gift box. Okay, and you can decorate with like the butterflies, or just leave it as it is. I think it's a very nice little page. So these are the autumn in the field. As I said, don't worry guys, because everything will be listed down below. Now we go into autumn texture. This is the kit that, if you like brown and burgundy, this is the kit for you. It's full of different textures that you can use as a base, and you do your project on top. Okay, so we've got here some tags. Love. and I just played with elements on top. Okay, so we've got 2 more pages there. You've got the pumpkins, a little gingerbread latte, some more tags. There's a lot of background and tags in here. See, this is what I mean. So you can use this as a background and you do your own project on top. I gave you a full envelope, like a scallop envelope, and 2 normal size, small, like traditional rectangular envelopes. And I just put a butterfly there. So when you do these up, the butterfly will be on top. And just a plain version. So if you guys want to decorate using, you know, everything that you want. And add a full background. And last page with some more texture tags that again you can play. So as you can see, the palette here is burgundy, brown, and a bit of green. Okay, so intentionally it's been designed so you guys can mix and match all these papers. Okay, so this was the autumn textures. Next one is called, and this is what I designed this year. So this is called Autumnal Vibes. So this is brand new. So again, I played similar colors. So you got your autumn leaves, and I created some tags. I left it quite plain so you guys can decorate and do your own layers. Oh, look at that. So we got some mushroom or toadstool. I don't know how you call them. We got some traditional autumnal leaves and some crows in there. I just think it works because with them be quite black and bluish as a contrast. So just put some blue flowers in there. This is a gift box. So this, you saw me making this a lot of time. So this is your traditional milk carton box. So you got your 4 size, that's the base, and the 2 triangles on top that give you the proper milk carton base. So if you print this on cardstock, job done. And then there is another page when you got a pillow box and another envelope. Then now if you cut, so of course this is the envelope, so that's the front. Okay, so if you reprint this, you also get 1, 2, and 3 tags, because this can be fussy cut them by their own and be 3 different tags. So it's a little tip there to make the most out of your paper. Okay, so this is called Autumnal Vibes. And last, and I left it last because it's my ever top like favorite from these collections. It's called Cute Gnomes. Why is called Cute Gnomes? Well, look how cute the gnomes are. Can they be any cuter? So it's a paper pack full of gnomes. So you've got a couple of backgrounds. So you've got the one with the gnomes and kind of like a plain floral. I designed 2 pillow boxes with the gnomes on top. So this is like if you do, I don't know, little gift boxes with some autumn treats, or even you can use them for Halloween if you want, because, you know, there is some pumpkins there. Then there are 4 ephemera, so I just used my postcards, and then I just create them, just put their gnomes on top. And then another background, very similar to the previous one, but in a different scale. So again, the color palette is the same. And then last but not least, oh, look at them. These are embellishments. So you got the doilies on the background, and then I put the gnomes on top. So again, the colors very similar. So you got brown, burgundy, and a little bit of green, and all matches together. So you can either do use this embellishment on top of your pillow boxes if you want. You can make some little tags. You can layer those on top of these, and you create your own tags. Oh, so many different things that you guys can do. So I will use this in the upcoming project. So subscribe if you're new to my channel, guys. Subscribe, because you will see how I use those papers. Guys, I'm going to go. So these are my autumnal papers. Everything I showed you will be on the website. Next week I will share my Halloween papers. I literally finished them. They're already on the website, but I will do a proper video showcase. So I think it's easy for you guys to see, because sometimes on the website it's not very clear what you get. But yeah, I will list every single paper pack down below, so they all will be there for you guys to purchase if you wish. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because you really support me on the journey here on YouTube, and your support is much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.